Deep within Birmingham, Alabama, stand Sloss furnaces, a relic of the industrial age. But beneath its rusted facade lies a chilling secret. James Slag Wormwood, a tyrannical foreman, ruled the graveyard shift. In 1906, he fell into a vat of molten iron, his body consumed instantly. Workers reported his vengeful spirit haunting the furnaces, a tormentor forever bound to his fiery tomb. Even today, visitors report unseen hands, whispers, and the terrifying command, "Get back to work." Sloss Furnaces is a monument to industry and a gateway to the spectral